Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Right here I have the Breadsmart Artisan Home Bread Making Kit. So we don't need a machine to make bread. We can do it right in the oven. But this is going to actually proof the bread, I think it's called, and it's going to mold it. Here I made some dough for some Italian bread. So I have that ready. I'm going to put it in here so the dough will rise with the yeast and kind of take shape of this Breadsmart device here. Pretty cool. You're not going to bake it in this, but what you're going to do is just let it rise and kind of form and mold to this. And then you can take it out of there, put it on the baking sheet, and actually do it that way. So let's go ahead and try that, see how this works. Now I put it here in the proofing basket, so I'm going to let it sit. And I didn't have to use the bench scraper yet, which we have this right here, which is the bench scraper, because I didn't take it out of here. But I'm gonna use that next because, you know, I'm sure it's gonna stick a little bit, and you even have some measurements on the side there too if you need to do something like that. Really, really great. So I let it rise for about an hour or so. Actually, I just moved it, so it kind of like sunk in on itself a little bit. You know, we'll see really how the bread comes out. Again, this was a recipe I found online. Not on the Breadsmart site, but looks like it's going to come out pretty easy there, so that should be good. I'm going to put it out, and then I'm going to squirt it with the lame so that way it can breathe and expand in the oven. So let's go ahead and try that. It didn't stick. It stuck a little bit, not too bad. It should be pretty easy to get off of there, so not really worried about that. My bread looks kind of sad, and we shall see actually how it comes out. So there's the lame with the blade in it. Let's go ahead and just put some scores in it there. Alright, that's done. I'll go ahead and put it in 400 degrees. I believe it's like 20 minutes or so, 15 to 20 minutes. And if it was stuck, I can always use this to move it around and grab that, which is pretty great. Nice. So I made the bread. It came out pretty good. Not bad. Probably if I put some butter on the top, we can get it looking more brown. But I would say I'm more shocked how good the bread actually came out. I made it with some pasta last night. And it's a little dense, but hey, that was the first try I really had with this. So overall, what did I think about the Breadsmart Home Bread Making Kit? I think this is really awesome. You know, you got to keep in mind that you're not going to be baking in this, which I originally thought that's what I was going to do, but actually this is just a proofing basket. But it really comes with everything that you need, enough blades to, you know, really make a lot of bread. And then you have your Danish whisk as well as the scraper. So really everything that you could possibly need, minus you don't need a machine to make bread at home like those big machines. So you could do it right with this. You know, you could also, if you have very sticky dough, you can leave this on. The dough came off it really easily that I had. Or you could take this off of it and just coat the inside with like oil and stuff so the dough actually doesn't stick to it, let it proof in there, and then take it out and bake it. You know, what I would like to see is maybe Breadsmart offers another version, maybe like a ceramic version where not only I can actually proof it in there, but then I can actually bake it in there as well. I think that'd be pretty cool. Just an idea of putting that out there. And I don't know, you know, I'm not a bread maker, whatever you call them, bread artisan, I guess. So I don't know if that's physically something that's possible, if you can actually proof and then bake in the same device. Overall, I think if you're really looking to do something like this at home, this would make for a great gift. Really easy to do. They have plenty of different recipes on their site, and honestly, you can go get some of the, you know, like the easy bread making ingredients at the store, or just look up some recipes online and make it yourself. So if you're looking for a really unique and relatively easy and fun product to make bread, or even just, you know, while you're making it, to clean it, everything like that, I think it's a really cool little investment to have and throw it right into the kitchen. So there you have it. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here. Click that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything I do, and we'll see you soon. There's my Italian bread. These make really good biscuits, actually, so if I proof it, it is all good. See ya.